Hello friends, this is Rahul Singh. Today I will show you how to install RSA Netwitness on VMware. So before installing we need VMware workstation installed on your PC and also we need RSA Netwitness ISO image. Uh, so let's start RSA Netwitness installation. So go to the home, click create new virtual machine, click next. Browse the folder where you have kept RSA Netwitness ISO image. Click open, click next. Here you can change the name. Here I can give NW server. This is the path where your virtual machine will be installed. You can change according to your requirement. But as of now I am leaving it as default. So click on next. Here you can give 200 GB of memory. To store virtual disk as a single file, then click next. Customize hardware. So to install RSA Netwitness admin server, it requires minimum 16 gigs of RAM. But currently in my system, I have only 8 gigs of RAM. I will choose 8 gigs. But this is my recommendation. You need to install RSA Netwitness on the system having minimum 16 GB. If you choose less than that, the installation will be failed at the end or might some services will not run. So as of now, I am showing you with 8 gigs of RAM and half of the video I will show you from other server by taking remote access. So as of now I have given 8 gigs. Now I will provide processors of 2, number of processor 2, number of cores per processor is 2, that will be sufficient. Now use network adapter as a bridge because I want to use my base system internet and IP address range. Now go to the display, click on the stretch mode, close. Now click on the finish. So install RSA Netwitness platform 11.4, press enter. First it will install base OS, that is CentOS. Once the base operating system installed, we will install RSA Netwitness software on it. So we have one single ISO file which contains everything, the base OS and the RSA Netwitness software. So if it is a brand new installation, leave it as default. Within 30 seconds, it will move forward. Basically, it is asking to format the hard disk. This is the brand new installation, so we'll go for the no. Now Have to select R, press enter. Now it is installing the base OS. It will take 10-15 minutes to install. So after 10-15 minutes, once it is installed, it gives you the login prompt. No other information is required to give here. Just leave it running. So I will pausing the video for some time. Once installation done, we will resume. So the installation has been completed. The base OS has been installed and it is showing login prompt. So we will log in to the system with the default credential root as a login ID and password will be Netwitness. So we have logged in. So from here, the further installation process I will show you by taking remote from my other server, because this we have only 8 GB of RAM, so we cannot proceed with the 8 GB of RAM. We will need another server having minimum 16 GB of RAM. So I will show you by taking remote of other server. The process will be same. Here I will give the IP address of my this system. The same login page appear here. So we will start further installation process from where we left. Okay. Now we have to run a setup command, that is nw setup tui. Press enter. It will ask you, now installation wizard open. Click on accept. Now this is asking, is this host you want for NW server? Yeah. Yes, this is our NetWitness admin server. So we will select yes and click. Now press installation. This is the first press installation. So we'll click on OK. Now we will give name NW server. Now click OK. Here you have to give master password. Now click OK. Here now you have to define deployment password. Deployment password will be required when you install other component like concentrated decoder or other anything. This password will be required for syncing between other component with NetWitness admin server. So here asking the IP address is 105 currently assigned to this host, but I want to change this IP. Click on yes. We are currently running the network installation over SSH. Connection network configuration update will result in restarting. It will result in restarting. So again I have to click remote. Click OK. OK. Assign static IP address. So we have already selected the IP address for this NW server 192.168.168.0. Subnet mask 255, 255, 255.0. Default gateway 192.168.0.5. Now primary DNS and secondary DNS we can leave it as blank. Use local repo because we have a complete ISO image. Okay. If you have good knowledge of IP tables, then you can configure your firewall rules firewall rules here, but I will select no as we will keep it as default. Now click OK to install now. After that it will take 45 minutes to install complete RSA Netwitness. You have to let it run this wizard, installation wizard. You have to wait for 45 minutes. I'm going to click OK. In 5 seconds the installation will start. So friends, it will take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. For time being, I'm going to pause this video. Once the installation complete, we'll come back. So installation has completed successfully. So we'll try to log in our admin server. So admin for CLI, the ID password. Here we will see the IP address. The IP address is 168. Now we will try to access. So try to access. So we are able to access. Now for the UI, all credential will be admin as the password. So we have successfully logged in our admin server. So this is the default dashboard. This is the where we can get charts, alerts. Will configure, will show you each and everything first. So that start. Here we have only one, that is our admin server. Admin server have 12 services. Admin server it contains a sharing distribute license server, administration server, support server. So we have 12 services running on it, and here we can see concentrated. So we have to install another server which will work as a concentrator. And so now we will install another server which will act as a concentrator. So let's start installing. So in the VMware workstation, stable, then the file is already selected. Same file will be used for installation. But this time we have to choose as a non-admin server. Here can type separate. It is not necessary that you start connecting space in your base system, but this is a virtual machine, so you can exhibit not check your actual base space. Now customize customize our in of RAM, or I have 8 gigs of RAM gigs. But in your installation, you have to give minimum 16 gigs, otherwise installation. But here I am showing for demo. I will show half of the installation in other server 16, which display which is not enough the power on setting to fix the power of other virtual machine. Exam size machine here. So this is showing error that I do have sufficient. I will shut down this hour ready. Now I will try now click on the install RSA Netwitness platform. So 30 seconds it choose the default. This is the installation. Stop. So it will take 15 minutes time install base OS. While I'm using this OS installed, I will show you the installation process. Now the installation base installation has been completed successfully. Now we will log in the same way that we have done in so, so now we have to follow the same method that we did installing and so have to set up DOA. So here is this host you want to host server. No, because we have already installed end of server, we will install it as a so we'll select enter, click on this install and change the name content. Click OK. Here you have requirement password. So we have to put the same password that we have configured admin server at the time of installation. Otherwise, syncing will not work. Now here you're asking, do you want to change the IP address or you want to continue the same? I will continue with the same IP address. I'll hit setup. So let's continue. I think now here is asking the IP address of server 68. Click OK. Here again asking for system firewalls. Okay. Now once we click on install, it will install the component server, which will act as concentrator, DSA, whatever you install. Show you. Once I will click OK, it will take 45 minutes to install. Have to do anything. Simply just leave it. Install automatically. Some 5 seconds. Start install. So once it installed, I will show you the now here I can see installation has been done. And see side. Now the both the server has installed successfully. Now we will access it. And also we will try to connect some rocket. So let's now. So in terms, so check. So here Jetty service. So started. So start with Jetty service. Jetty is a web server. Once it is started, then you can access by take some time. Jetty service has been started and access admin server by default. Now here access API. Now we go to the admin tab. Now here we can see only servers in here. Yes, now the other and public key has is displaying. Now we will enable it. So this process can take up and wait for minutes. Yes. Now you can see we have it here. I can access Windows. Now here we can see there is no services displaying. Now we select this, click on install. So here we can see welcome that depend on us what install. But as of now, click order on install. So it started installing. So So it will take some time. So similarly, can install concentrator, even stream analysis. So we have done the complete installation of RSA Netwitness. So now in the next video, we'll see how to configure each and every test and how to make RSA Netwitness ready. Thank you.